Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to add an Amazon gift card to your account balance on iPhone. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is open the app on your iPhone device for Amazon. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and select your profile icon down here in the middle. Once you do that, you're going to see an option down on this page or this screen for gift card balance. Now, if you already have a balance, you can continue to redeem a gift card and add that to the current balance. So what you would do is you go ahead and tap on redeem gift card. And then what you need to have is the actual gift card, and you can scan it. So I'm going to show you in an example today how we would do that. So we go ahead and tap on the camera here to scan it. And then we will go ahead and look for that gift card and scan the code. And once you scan it, it will tell you the balance of that gift card. And if there is a balance on it, then you can go ahead and tap on apply to your balance, and that gift card balance will be added to your total account. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.